I'm at Subsea 2020 this morning with Keith Mackey, Managing Director of Hiretech Limited, and they are revealing to us their newest addition to their rental fleet. Do you want to tell me a bit more about this new addition?
Yeah, behind us is it's actually a demonstrating bit of kit just now, but we have invested on 2 subsea shears for onshore, back a boat and subsea use. So over the past few months we've been spending a lot of time with our customers, understanding their requirements going forward. So rather than us investing in what we think is right, we've spent the time researching with our customers and investing in some brand new subsea shears.
So with that in mind, then obviously your customer feedback must be a very important part of your strategy going forward.
Yeah, it's something that we focus on every year. Our sales team go and request feedback on our performance, not just equipment, but our personnel as well. And based on that feedback, and it usually covers product requirements for going forward as well, which focuses us on our investment.
Yeah. That's a fantastic leadership strategy to align your investment with your operational delivery. Is that something that Hiretech have built into their strategy throughout, or is this a new move in terms of your investment strategy?
No, I think it's pretty much how we've done it over the last few years. So we've invested considerably on equipment since the business was formed, to be 10 years old this year. So I think it's always been our strategy to keep investing. Even when the industry is quite low, we've continued investing, and not only in equipment, but in people as well. So part of our new subsea and decommissioning strategy was to invest in people as well. And we've started a new business development manager, Duncan Duthie, 2 weeks ago. And again, his main role to start with is understanding client requirements.
That's fantastic, and a 10-year anniversary, that's a great achievement. What do you think you can learn reflecting back on that decade?
Well, I think it's been a successful decade, and the trick is to keep it going. So we are quietly optimistic about the future, and I think the most important thing is listening to your customers and reacting to their needs.
It's fantastic. And here, Subsea 2020, what are you expecting the event to bring for you today?
Well, I think everybody's optimistic about it. It's a fantastic facility here. We started our stand on Saturday morning and the place was empty. So I think there is optimism in the industry, and hopefully this will be something that just propels it forward.
Excellent. Thank you so much for your time today. Is there anything else you'd like to add?
No, that's it.
No?
Thank you.
Fantastic. Thank you so much.
Thank you.